Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about the land animal and water animals. How all the animals are different in shape, size and colors. Yeah, the children, so let me recall one more time. Then I will continue the lesson. Name some land animals. Name some animals live on land. Tell me children. Yes, cow, dog. Yes, come on. Cat, tiger. Very good. Leopard, elephant, donkey, horse. So almost all the animals live on land. The names of animals live only in water. They live only in water. Tell me children. Yes, fish, shark, octopus. Very good. Starfish. Then seahorse. So these all the animals, they live only in the water. So name some animals, they live in water and on land also. Yes, crocodile. Very good. Frog, duck, snake, turtle. So these animals, they live in both in water as well as on land also. So these are all the things we have discussed in the previous class. Today's class will see children domestic animals and wild animals. Okay children, so we have the two types of animals. Domestic animals and the wild animals. Which animals live in forest? Those are called the wild animals. Domestic animals we will keep in home. Children, we will keep in the farm. They are called the domestic animals. So today's class children, we are going to learn about the domestic animal and wild animal. So first we will discuss domestic animals. Okay children. Domestic animals. Will you name some animals? Name some domestic animals. Yes, cow. Yes, goat, cat, dog, sheep. Then buffalo. So these are called the domestic animals. So in that the dog and cat are pet animals. They are called the pet animals. So in that pet animal is who? Dog and cats are the pet animals. We will keep in our home. Why you will keep a dog? Tell me children. Dog guard our house. And the children, dog guard our house. It protect us from the enemies also. If any unknown person came to your house, what does the dog will do? It started to bark. When it starts to bark, then you will come to know some unknown person came to your home. And children, if you keep the cat catch the mice, it catch the rat. And children, rat, they will do the unwanted work on numbers of things. They will spoil. They will spoil the vegetables, your cloth, shoes, slippers, all the things they will nibble, all the things they will bite, they will make a piece. So if there is a cat in your house, then there is a no rat only, because cats catch the Mice. Mice is what? Rat. It's catch the rat. So those are called the pets animals. Dog and cats are pet animals. Which animals we will keep in our home? Clear, children? So some animals we will keep in the farm. We will keep in the farm. Those are called the domestic animals. And children, in the domestic animals we can see first is cow, goat, sheep, buffalo. These are the domestic animals. And here dog and the cat. Pet animals. Dog and cat are pet animals. So these animals, cow, goat, sheep and buffalo, we will keep in the farm. They are also called the farm animals. They are called the farm animals. Why they call the farm animal? Because with these animals we will get the numbers of things. And children, we will get the numbers of things. See, if you keep the cow, then cow gives us milk. What does it give us? Cow gives us milk. So with that milk, your mother will make a curd. Yes, no, curd, paneer. Numbers of things he will prepare with the cow milk only. Yes or no? Cheese. Cheese also made up of cow milk only. It is made up of milk. So what the cow eats? Cow eats the grass. It eats the grass and leaves. Clear, children? Just to see the eating things also. Here you can see. So what the cow eats here? Cow eats the grass. It eats the grass and leaves. What it gives us? It gives us milk. It gives us milk. So with that milk, your mother will make numbers of milk product, numbers of things she will make with the milk only. Curd, paneer, cheese. So these all the things your mother will make with the milk only. See how they are useful to us. Every day you will drink one glass of milk. Yeah, the children, are you drinking the milk? Yes. Where does it comes from? It comes from these animals only. Cow milk or buffalo milk or goat milk. And the children? So, cow eats the grass, leaves and it gives us milk. Okay children? What does it gives us? It gives us milk. Clear children? The next we see the goat. Next animal is who here? Next animal is goat. What the goat eat? Goat also eat the grass and leaves. It eats the grass and leaves. And what does the goat gives us? Tell me children. Goat gives us milk. Goat also gives us milk and meat. Milk and meat. Meat, mutton you will eat, no? Mutton you will eat or not? Yes. So that, who will give us? Goat only. Yeah, the children. So goat gives us milk and meat. And what it eats? It eats the grass and leaves. Clear, children? The next is which animals here you can see? Sheep. Next is which animal here? Next is the sheep. What it eats? It eats the grass. And what does it gives us? It gives us wool. What does it gives us? It gives us wool. In the winter season, you will wear the woolen clothes. And you will wear the woolen clothes, sweater, scarf, then monkey cap, hand gloves. These all the things is made up with the sheep wool only. You know, children? So sheep gives us wool. With the help of sheep hair only, we will make the numbers of woolen products. You know, children? Next is buffalo. What does buffalo gives us? Buffalo also gives us milk. What does it gives us? It gives us milk and it eats grass and leaves. Okay, children? So, buffalo. Next is buffalo. So, what it eats? It eats the grass and leaves. What it gives us? It gives us milk. See here, buffalo also gives us milk and it eats the grass and leaves. Here you can see these all the animals, all cow, goat, sheep and buffalo. They all eats the grass and leaves only, and they gives us the numbers of things. See, cow gives us milk, goat also gives us milk, buffalo also gives us milk, sheep gives us wool. So these all animals eat only grass. So they are called the domestic animals. Which animals we will keep in a farm? Clear, children? Nowadays you will eat the numbers of chocolates, dairy chocolates. And the children, the chocolates is made up of milk only. Butter. Butter means what? Ghee, you say na tuppa. Butter is also made up of milk. Cheese. Cheese also made up of milk only. That is all called the milk products. Cheese, butter, curd, chocolates. This all calls the milk product. With the help of these animals' milk only, we will make the numbers of milk product. Yeah, na children? So here I will write the milk product. What? Here I will write milk products. Milk products. So what we will make with that milk? We will make the first. We will make the curd. Curd means what? Mosuro. Curd. Then cheese. Butter. Chocolates. These all called the milk product. Dairy milk, dairy silk. Yeah, the numbers of chocolates you will get. That is made up of milk only. Yeah, no? This cheese, butter, everything's will made up of this milk only. So we see the domestic animals are very, very useful to us. Why they are useful? Because they gives us numbers of things. So it gives us numbers of things. Which things here domestic animals eat? They eat the grass and leaves. Here, cow, goat, sheep and buffalo are called the farm animals also. Here one more farm animal is there, that is a hen. Hen is also a farm animal. What does the hen gives us? Tell me children. What does the hen gives us? Hen. Hen also is a farm animal. It gives us egg. What it gives us? It gives us egg. What it eats? It eats the grains. So every day you will eat no egg. Egg you will eat. Some will make the omelette, some will boil and eat, some will mix in the milk and eat. Yes or no? So how? From where it comes? It comes from the hen only. So hen gives us egg. Clear children? So these all are called the farm animals. Okay children? Cow, goat, sheep, buffalo and hen are called the farm animals. Clear? So here you can see the domestic animals are cow, goat, sheep, cat, dog are the domestic animal. Even dog and cat also called the domestic animals, but they are called the pet animals because these animals, cow, goat, sheep and buffalo, we will keep in the farm. We will make a separate house for them. And children, those are called the farm animal, and dog and cats are called the pet animal. So they comes in the domestic animal only. Clear children? Dog and cat also comes in the domestic animals. So these are the domestic and the pets animals. So let me revise. Which animals we will keep in the home? Those are called the domestic animal. So here cow, goat, sheep, buffalo, cat, dog. Pets animals are also the domestic animals. But cow, goat, sheep, buffalo and hen we will keep in the farm. So they are also called the farm animal. So cow eats the grass and leaves. It gives us milk. Goat eats the grass, leaves and it gives us milk and meat. Sheep eats the grass and it gives us wool. Next, buffalo eats grass and leaves and it gives us milk. Next, hen eats the grains and it gives us eggs and chicken. Chicken you will eat every Sunday, yes. So that comes from the hen only. So this is about the domestic animals. So here just to see children, cow gives us milk, goat also gives us milk and meat, sheep gives us wool, buffalo gives us milk, hen gives us egg and chicken both. So these are about the domestic animals. So next we will see the wild animals. So next is children, wild animal. So wild animals, which animals live in forest? Which animals live in forest? Those animals are called the wild animals. Live in forest or jungle. So will you tell me some names of animals? They live in forest. Tell me children, which animals live in forest? hippopotamus, rhinoceros, then elephant, again rabbit, so these all animals. Still there is numbers of animals, they live in the forest. Which animals live in the forest, children? See here, tiger, lion, leopard, fox, zebra, then deer, bear, etc. etc. means what? Still there is numbers of animals, they live in the forest. What they will eat? What these animals will eat? See here, some animals like tiger, lion, leopard, fox, bear, they eat the flesh of other animals. They kill the animals and then they eat that meat. So we say they eat the flesh of other animals. Okay children, so these animals are very dangerous. These animals are very dangerous. If you go in the forest, then if you see the tiger, lion and leopard, what will happen? You will get the fear, you will get the scared of these animals. Why? Why? Because those are dangerous animals. Might they will attack you. Because they are eating the flesh, they are eating the meat. Yes. So in the forest, there is a forest officer. That person not allowing any person, that forest officer, he not allowing any persons in the forest. Why? Because that officer knows that these are very dangerous. If you go inside, then this animal will attack you. Children? So these animals, they live in the forest. Their house is forest only. Forest is house for these all animals. They will eat the flesh of other animals. Clear children? What they eat these animals? They eat the, what they eat? They eat the flesh of other animals. They eat the flesh of other animals. Flesh means what? Meat. They will eat the meat of other animals. Children, so do you know children, the animals have the 4 legs. Do you know? These all animals have the 4 legs, 1 tail. Just you can see here. I will show the image. Here you can see children. Animals have the 4 legs. You can see here. They have the 4 legs, 1 tail and then 2 ears. Yes children, next animal you can see giraffe. See the 4 legs, 1 tail and the 2 ears. Next you can see the elephant also. 4 legs and 1 small tail. Next you can see the polar bear. Polar bear, see the legs, 4. See here, all the animals have the 4 legs and 1 tail. So here you can see children, forest animals, elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, bear, rabbit. Children, so these animals live in the forest. Yes, children. So, numbers of animals live in the forest. Their house is forest only. What they will eat? They eat the flesh of other animals. They are very dangerous. Okay, children. So, these are about the wild animals. In today's class, we have discussed about the domestic animals and wild animals. Okay, children. Domestic animals we will keep in home. And some animals we will keep in the farm also. Some are the pet animals and some are the farm animals. They eat the leaves and grass. They give the numbers of things like milk, egg, wool, meat and chicken. So this is about the wild and domestic animals. So whatever I have finished in this video, children, so based on that I will give the some work. So this work you have to do in the EVS notebook. Clear, children? Now it is homework. First question. Name the domestic animals. Name the domestic animals. Next one. Name the wild animals. Name the domestic animals. The next, name the wild animals. The next one. I will write here some questions. So this is the two question answers. Okay, children. The next I will give what are the things they gives us. Now third one. We get milk from dash, dash and dash animals. Okay, children. Next one. Here I will write. We get egg from dash animal. The last one, fifth one. We get wool from dash animals. So this is the homework for you, children. You have to write in the EVS book. And this whatever I have given homework in this video, again I am not going to send this all the things in app. So you have to copy down this homework from this video only. So here is the homework. Name the domestic animals. Name the wild animals. We get milk from dash, dash, dash animals. So you have to write three animals name. Okay, children? Dash and dash animals. Next one. We get egg from dash animal. We get wool from dash animals. So to get this answer, what you have to do, children? You have to see this video from starting till ending. Should not skip in the middle. You have to watch full video only. Then only you will get these all answers. Okay, children. So this work should be done in the EVS notebook. Clear, children? So these all the works you have to do in the EVS notebook. And after finish this work, just you send me in the school app. Thank you, children.